Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, how things, how life. Bless up to each and every one. Happy lazy Monday, how do. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. And most importantly, I remember to watch the ads. So no, I don't live without reminding you, because sometimes I don't remember. So remember to watch the ads. If the ads long and thing, or not have to watch everything, maybe a minute or two. You understand? Yeah, but just get a girl some support. All right. So Kingston 13, no, mama. Kingston 13. Kingston 13, me come for you, you know. Kingston 13, me come for you. Kingston 13, me come for you. The badness in me, Kingston 13. The bad girlness in me, Kingston 13, me come for you. Me come about you this morning. Kingston 13, you know. As much as me can fight, you understand? As much as me can fight Kingston 13. Kingston 13, you know how we thump you in your back. Kingston 13, how we thump you in your back and run, you know. Kingston 13, you much time me call your name? Kingston 13. And we give you a nah look thump in your back, you know, Kingston 13. And tear down the whole accuracy of find somewhere go hide, you know, ma. I wonder if you know me. Kingston 13. You see, in my mind, Kingston 13, me feel like me a bad girl. You understand? My mind tell me say me a bad girl. Me go on my bed several nights, go dream say me a bad girl. So Kingston 13. I will thump you in your back, me bex. Me bex Kingston 13. Then Kingston 13. Where you take for your precious time now where God give you my love. You take for your nice, clean, good, precious time. Come out here now and explain to this your creature you for. In Kingston 13, where you left your bed, come out here in a night now for. I explain to this your creature ya. Kingston 13, you know, make the blasted woman think where she want to think, ma. In Kingston 13, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to address this, you know, my love. I'm not say nothing more about it. Yeah, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to say nothing more about it. But the reason why I'm going to say anything at all about it, because I'm going to scroll past and go about my business. Because the woman still sitting over there on her ass, saying that me own the social media newsroom channel or a social media newsroom own Reasonings with Chin channel. So me don't know who own who. If a social media newsroom own Reasonings with Chin or a Reasonings with Chin own social media newsroom. I don't know how it go, my love, but Queen Bee know because it's under investigation. Yes, she investigated me, my love, because she come expose me. And I still see her putting up over there. Say yes, and she coming with proof. She's on the case. Well, officer, stay on the case, my love, stay on the case. And my loves, the real reason now why me even I gonna mention back anything at all pertaining to that situation, pertaining to this. Everybody knows the Reasonings with Chin don't mix up for your platform. For my platform, a baganis, beer baganis, me chat people, and when people cuss me cuss them out back. Social media newsroom now, on the other hand, my loves. If you don't pay attention, you don't realize that social media newsroom, you know, I try to stay on the more positive path. Now and then she might, you know, add in one little something about Smaddy, especially about Jill. But she know want in the baganis out here and she a try to stay out of the baganis. So basically, as much as VR channel is a planka channel, she no come out here upon the same type of people them where we come out here upon. As I say, she trying to lean towards the more positive side and, you know, unbiasedness also. She not in the rough like someone we out here. So me realize that. So when me look now, I see this woman here, this big grown ass senior citizen here, Queen Bee, me I talk about, you know, not a blasted Queen Bee. Not a blasted Queen Bee. You don't know where shine black bug them where push shht. You don't know them bug them, my love? Yeah, Queen Bee, a shitbug, not a damn Queen Bee round here. Here's a shitbug. So this bug now, cause me no know if me can call you out here on YouTube. You know, I'm telling you, so me come for work, me no come for work for a yellow dollar sign. Me come for work for a green dollar sign. Yes, I work, me come. Me come to me another business place. So this little shit bug now, my loves, take herself and have your plaster all about over the place now, say. A social media newsroom own reasonings with chin. We are the same smarty. She go as far as she put up long posts over there, say me sick, I'm a psycho. Queen Bee, who? Shit bug, who? Girl, I was. I don't want to come out here and rude to you. My loves, me have manners. You understand me, my loves? Anytime I don't hear me come out here and say certain things about anybody, because them first rude to me and me rude back to them. I have manners. My granny grew my good, my loves. I don't know by now say she not take lick. She not take nobody lick. You could have all young middle age. Able or disabled, if you come for me, I go back for you. But then again, me nah give, you know that girl I was here where she want. Me nah give her where she want because me know she want. Then Kingston 30 me ask you a question. You don't realize what this woman here do? You don't realize that? Remember, you know, a long time she out here, you know. Long time she out here a try and a struggle and a battle with her platform. Me never know her the times them when she out here struggle and battle, me loves. I went bangarang go down between she and Curly at them the time they me know about her. So this woman here desperate in a way where she will go to any measures whatsoever. Because she been trying. Oh no, see she reach a part where she come out here can expose so many things about her bestie Curly. Certain things we out here now. Where a hand Curly backside where we take and tell Curly every day as she come out here with it. She come out here can dash Curly business out here like that. And when Curly fling her backside and kick her to the curb, she dey all about the place and roam all about run and run like a stray dog. So, now she come up with something else and it no work either. Little more she work, little tops. You know me loves it work. She come out now can say, you understand, she a giant the plankers. Yes, and she sweet. Mouth lady D with cake where she buy and it fly up in a lady D head the review where she give. And lady D come out, you understand me? A highlighter. Yes, man. She feel good now, you know, feel good. Yes, so finally now, my love, she thought she get the break that she was waiting for. And then because, say no, leopard never changes its spot. She couldn't disguise her true self for too long. She eventually exposed her own self out her and then all those tumble down upon her. So she no get the bus there so. Now poor Lily Chin now, our social media newsroom this a come out here. Poor Lily we now. You not imagine no think a little batteration may get Frank Curly if he get the bus. If a Curly say she boss me, my love. I saw Curly say she boss me. I mean I'm gonna be ungrateful to my Uncle Curly. You understand? I am not going to be ungrateful to my big hairy uncle. But I see my uncle over there grown up in bed. Nice uncle, nice. Christmas is coming and uncle I grown up. Yes. So my Uncle Curly come out here now and give me my bus. And me, if you take for me little bus now where Uncle Curly come out here come bus, this is a big old horse steering woman, yeah? Me, if you take my little bus now, where Uncle Curly give me if you take this a big ass steering woman, you know, walk here and for me back out here. I would have been so ungrateful to me Uncle Curly, my dearest Uncle Curly. So make I tell you now where Miss Gala was lady out here, I don't know, my loves. So because she knows say, me and Uncle Curly in a hot water out here, every minute me and Uncle Curly tear away. Also family live bad when they ready, my loves. So because say no, she knows say me and Uncle Curly tear away all the time. And one of the time now Curly and I put up money now to find out who Chin be. So she now figure within herself not more than say, alright, if I can find out who Chin be, and carry go give Curly, then me we get back in a Curly good book. Me loves una read wagalang out here. Una see wagalang. So what better we know? We go half a Chin because Chin and Curly now are public enemy. So if me know can find out Lily Cinti about Chin and can go tell Curly, then me and Curly now you know we depend track again. Then girl I was so. You never know when me out here do video and I show me face, girl, I was me ain't get nobody they know me yet anyway. Cause me out here try say me I do positive. I talk about procrastination. I talk about disrespectful manner, woman and there something, and it never work for me. Me love it never work. Never walk. And me go touch one little mix up one day. Bam, me go touch the little mix up. Me love the crowd come, the crowd come. Me no remember about no positiveness all. Me no remember about no for my positive video again, me love. Cause me come out here go like I say, me a motivational speaker. As somebody come out here go and you know me love, me put up about 3 videos. Say me a motivate people, me love. Can motivate my damn say but me come but me a motivate people. And you never work and me go try the mix up, me love. The mix up work, the mix up work. And even when me start blackboard mix up, me do video out here with myself already. Me post up picture over my community with me several times. People over here know me. And when me see now how, when me out here now I really understand what social media is like, me say me now put up no more my business out here. And I saw me to put out myself out here. You know, here Curly Caan say she got me picture. Yeah, here Curly Caan say she got me picture, you know. And if Curly really got me picture, Curly know why she not put it out there, because me picture shows Curly what she was not expecting. So Curly now go put it out, she go hide it. She's going to hide it. Then when you take Lily with that Sal, now take yourself out here, say you are work overtime to expose people. If you want to get back in a Curly good book, don't use me. Go back to Curly. I and Curly talk over no situation. Why you would have want to hang feel like a ranking crutches over my back for me carry you, my love? I can't carry you. Look how long you out here try. Look how long. Me see picture with you and me see video with you. And you're way older than Curly. You understand? You're far older than Curly. Why the backside at for your age now? You know, sit down and enjoy retirement and collect your little pension. The only thing you're supposed to do on social media do out there, you know, mama, is entertainment. You know, if you sit down and watch some little video with your foot up and a laugh. You understand me? I get little entertainment for social media. Where the backside you have for yourself all over everywhere. Somebody tell me wonder how the backside you keep up. For me young and me can't keep up. Me can't keep up no matter how me try. Sometimes me can hardly find the time at daytime. Can me busy too? I squeeze time, you know, sometimes me do my video them at night. And me can take my nights and me a browse out social media for fast in other people business cause I have a famble. Yes. And when me dey home some of the night them me love me still a fear work as a night time me a jockey me ride horse. So meanwhile the horse a saddle up and I get himself prepared for come to bed. Me will use that time that you understand. Me will use that time there for do a quick little video. And by the time him come in at the bed and say, I know my time now, chin. Me have to drop everything that I am doing, you understand? Because my life is more important than social media. So me have to drop everything that I am doing. And go couple up and cuddle up. And if me fi ride, and if me fi run a furlong, me go run a furlong. So by the time the commentator reach a deer off, and me start to ride a furlong, my love. By the time me done, me put out and drop asleep. Me tired, me hackle out. And me have to be on the rise 4:30 every single morning. 4:30 every single morning, my love. So some of the time, me no got the time. When you know see me no do video for you, probably 1, 2, 3 or 4 days at the time me can't find. But to me know me have people out there I look for me we try squeeze in, yes, because I have nice clean supporters out here. Who me know look out for my video them. I mean I have to worry if them I go watch all when a foolishness me a chat. Them I support me by watching. So madam girl I want search bug you. Me no know how you find the time. For the in so much bang around your name tangle up everywhere out here and the bus that you're looking for you still can't get it. I know disrespect to the elder because me know there's a lot of, you know, respectable elders. I mean I must live to see some on age. And age is a blessing. But yeah, some of them with torment. When me say torment, like the girl I was here, some of them with torment. You know walk out in a community, them if you don't live in a little country area where people you know people are walk up and down and you can't go on nearby yard and them something there. You know walk out in a community and look at the type of old woman them will give problem in the community. Just look at the type of old woman them will give problem in the community. I look on the nice, decent, quiet ones. You see the one them will give problem up in a people business, catch up all about and the shop pays And hitch up all about on that gambling place. Them are the ones where you can look pan and tell say them little draws scratches rank. They have whole heap of little dirty draws store up in a some corner where hands name out the whole of them scratches. A Queen Bee that. Queen Bee are you that? Go on, go look for your little gurgle them and wash them out and hang them up. Your little stacking panty them, go look for them and wash them out. You have them bungle up somewhere with hands on your mouth, the whole of them crutches good at tiff like and then drop down in a cassava starch. Queen Bee, where you can text it for me for? In Queen Bee, ma'am, where the backside you want context it for me for? Where you want know me for, Queen Bee? In Queen Bee, you say me I take your husband? Eh, ma? Queen Bee, me no want no whole man, you know, cause whole man want a crutch. Lord have mercy. Forgive me for any, if any elderly men is over here watching me. Me not talk about uno your earphone no water no crutch. Me I talk about for Queen Bee kind of old man them for them water crutch. People like Queen Bee, me love when them pass, you think any old rammy pass, smell moldy and rank. Like a she a ram goat a couple up. And I can't trace her, me dear children, and I can't trace her because of that she want for me trace her. Queen Bee, me can't make you trend. Queen Bee, me cannot make you trend. Me young out here, me I look trending myself. Queen Bee, me can't make you trend. Me young out here, me I no veteran in this. Nobody no know me. Why you want to get a bus off of me? Curly, can't take back your bus. Me tell you the other day, can't take back your bus. Give me a taxi, man, a bike or a bicycle. Either you taxi me, your car, me bicycle or bike me, but no, me no want the bus. If me didn't know, say, when you bus me, Uncle Curly, Queen Bee, and I go text it, pa me would tell you, say, me no want your bus. You understand? But I tell you, say, me don't want your bus. See, then now you make me out here mix up in all kind of trials and tribulation, crosses like yourself. For them, you are the type of people who follow you, Uncle Curly. Are you breed them kind of crosses, Uncle Curly? Curly, are you the cause of it? You are the cause of it. Look how long this blasted whole woman out here. Look how long she out here from Christopher Columbus discovered Jamaica. She dey pass social media. And I mean, you want context it, pan. I saw you desperate, my love. I saw you desperate more than anybody else out here. You try everywhere possibly. You try everything possibly. You go after everybody. And in now, you no intend for tap. Lady, if you know what good for you, go sit down. You go sit down for your little shrivel up ranking sal and leave me alone. Because if you are wait for me, if you come out, you can cuss you. You go wait until eternity, my love. For me now looking at your direction, me tell you in the last video me do, me come out here already, I supposed to about 2 or 3 video me ever do with you. You understand? When me go in a missing thing, I do ever make $17 for you. You understand me? I do ever make $17 for you, Queen Bee. So you have no value to me. You have no use to my platform. I work for dollars. I don't work for coins. Your name no attract no crowd. You understand? No revenue, no depend for your name. And when me do it, I feel so damn careless and workless. Me have to say, then China, this you gone to? This you gone to? And instantly me wipe out your name out of my book. Me cross you out. Say, me no want them a little bit of shilling, yeah. This your whole girl you now push no weight. Then say one cocoa full basket. But me no want this your cocoa you in my basket. This your whole girl you now push no weight. She not carry no weight. Me not chat about her. And you start, up in the big dogs league like Curly. Lord, I love Curly name. Curly, I love your name. You see when you start up in the big dogs league like Curly, then you can come back for me. Then me might give you a second glance. I will talk about you. But until then, Queen Bee, you keep your ass quiet because at this point you're a stray dog. You're not in the big dog leagues. I don't do strays. Me not take up no stray and groom them. So bye-bye. Walk good. This is my last video about you. And as I said, the only reason why me come out, I know what my channel is about. My channel is about baga, mix up, carry go, bring come, he say, she say, they say, a mix up channel. You're not going to compare my channel, can't find much positivity. You understand? A mix up. Social media, on the other hand, is somewhat a positive channel. She try to positive things over there. She try to positive things over there. So when you take yourself, come out here and mix up me and this individual, it's unfair to her. And then the DM all mascot them like yourself, sit down over there in the comments, I believe. The whole one is a bunch of jackass, a bunch of idiots. Which sensible smaddy now would I listen to me a two channel and says the same smaddy? Only a asshole like yourself. A social media newsroom, me hear the video we do this morning. I mean, I have you up, my love. I don't have a thing against you. But it just up in my feelings when you bring up Lady D in a few casa, few backers. What did I fight? We didn't fight Lady D backer. So when you bring her up in it, I it up in my feelings. So I come convent. And I can't keep my feelings buckled up inside of me. And make my chest plate go bust out. So that's why I did come and speak against it. Because I did vex. Because everybody knows that we are different with self in this case. I fight with it, I fight for own because I are different with children them. You understand? The name should mention no where they so. So I that me need catch up enough for my feelings and come out and speak my mind. You understand? Yeah, so I don't have up nobody. I did just want to talk for my peace and I did eat at the moment. Anyways, my love, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And if you've reached this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch that like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Peace out, much love. See you now later. Bye-bye.